back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana bread. I have a couple of bananas which are overripe and don't know what to do about it. So what I decided today is to make banana bread. See? And banana bread comes best when the bananas are overripe. So let's get started. I've got 3 bananas which I've taken off the skin. What I am going to do is I'm going to now mash those bananas like baby food and then keep it ready for my banana loaf. Alright then, let's get started. So in my blender I've taken about 100 grams of butter. Okay, and it's salted butter, which means I'm not going to add salt later. To that butter I'm going to add sugar. Now sugar depends on how sweet you want your cake or your bread to be. The more sugar, the more sweet. The less sugar, the less is the sweet. You can control that by yourself. Now keep in mind that the bananas are also overripe, which means they're very sweet. So which means I'm not going to use that much of sugar. Just about almost 3/4 of a cup of sugar I'm going to use, and I'm now going to cream my sugar and butter. This is very easy. This I'm going to add the bananas and 2 eggs. 1, 2, and I'm going to start blending these as well. So my wet ingredient is ready. See? What I'm going to do is transfer my wet ingredient to a bowl so that we can add our dry ingredient. Let me get back to you once I've done that. So I've transferred my wet ingredient to a bowl. Now let's go ahead and add the dry ingredient. Next I'm going to add 2 cups of refined flour, refined wheat flour, which is maida, and baking powder. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Teaspoon of baking powder. Nicely mix it now. Make sure that the dough is nice and thick, not watery. See, this is how the consistency of the dough should look like. Not very thin, not very thick. Okay. To this I'm going to add I want some kind of heat to it, so I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon, or you can add mixed spice if you like, or you can add ginger. So I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon, and I'm using cinnamon powder. just for the heat and for the extra sweetness. Little cinnamon and a little bit of ginger. I'm using again dry ginger powder. Just a little bit, 1 pinch, not too much. Okay. Alright, let me quickly mix this and then transfer this to my baking tray. What I'm going to add is about half a cup of walnuts and raisins, just so that we have a nice fruity taste and a nice crunch. I'm just going to roughly mix it, the two of them, and then transfer it to my baking loaf. Here you go. I've transferred the loaf now to my, the batter to my loaf tin. I'm going to bake this now for around 50 to 55 minutes in my oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, let me just transfer this to my oven, and once the cake is baked, I'll get back to you. As you can see now, my banana bread has nicely risen. I'm going to allow it to bake for some more time till it gets some color and test it with my toothpick if it's done. It's going to take another 15 to 20 minutes. Be right back. Here you go, guys. My banana cake is ready. I've taken it off from the oven and I've let it cool for some time in my cooling rack. It's been now about 15 minutes that I've let it cool. If you like my recipe, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you also press the like button and like my recipe. And make sure that you also not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notification about the future recipes that I will be posting on my channel. So now, here you go. The cake is now ready. I hope you will try this once and you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. So you can see my cake is so moist and it has risen so well. Do try it at home and I'm sure you will love it. It'll be an ideal for breakfast. Just cut a toast, or rather just cut a piece, slice and toast it and eat it.